Students and teachers at the Kamuning Elementary School were in full support of the new anti-dengue technology. The school where the new anti-dengue campaign was launched today. More from Haji Camino.
Due to the increasing number of dengue cases in the country, the Department of Health and Department of Science and Technology joined forces as they taught elementary school students how to eliminate mosquitoes and its eggs. DOST Secretary Mario Montejo and DOH Secretary Enrique Ona personally went to Kamuning Elementary School to lead the program that teaches children step by step on how to prepare the so-called ovicidal, larvicidal mosquito trap.
The vector reduction campaign o program doon sa mga lugar na dumadami ang lamok. Plus, all others information from DOH kung saan ba talaga may dengue cases. All of them are para bang, these are all information which would siguro kikita natin ang pattern kung magkakaroon talaga ng dengue outbreak.
Ang ating program ngayon is to make sure na itong kampanyang ito is hindi lang dito sa Kamuning Elementary School or kundi all over the country. And of course, ipapaalam natin to every school, hopefully na i-monitor nila ang dami nitong mga lamok or ang dami ng mga batang nagkakasakit.
The school thanked the two government agencies as this program served as a big boost to their students' health and environment awareness, especially on preventing dengue.
Mawawala po yung agam-agam na mga magulang na magkaroon kami ng kaso ng dengue dito dahil nga po namomonitor po yung pagdami ng lamok kung meron man po.
The children meanwhile said it is time for them to participate and to make actions that would help the environment become dengue and mosquito-free. Each of them listened carefully as the authorities gave an important lecture.
Maglinis sila para hindi sila kagatin ay hindi sila magkasakit. Tsaka wag rin sila sa mga madidilim na daan dahil dun umaano yung dengue.
For the People's Television Network, I am Haji Camino.